Welcome to Financial Freedom Basics, your go-to channel for mastering the art of financial independence. I'm thrilled to have you here on our journey to explore the transformative power of passive income. Whether you're dreaming of escaping the 9-to-5 grind, pursuing your passions, or securing a brighter future, passive income holds the key. Join me as we delve into what passive income truly means and how you can harness its potential to create lasting wealth. We'll uncover practical strategies, easy-to-implement ideas, and insights that can elevate your financial mindset. Together, we'll unlock the door to financial freedom and explore the possibilities that await. Get ready to take control of your financial destiny and build a life where your money works for you. Welcome aboard, and let's embark on this empowering journey towards financial freedom together. 1. Getting started in passive income. Embarking on the path to passive income begins with a fundamental shift in mindset and a solid financial foundation. It's not just about earning money while you sleep. It's about strategically building streams of income that can sustain and grow over time. Here's how you can start. Mindset shift. Adopting a passive income mindset involves recognizing the potential to generate income beyond traditional methods like active employment. It requires openness to exploring new opportunities, understanding that initial effort and investment can lead to long-term rewards, and embracing the idea of creating multiple streams of income. Financial foundation. Before diving into passive income ventures, ensure you have a stable financial base. This includes having an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and managing debt effectively. Establishing a budget can help you prioritize savings and investments, providing the necessary capital to start your passive income endeavors. Setting goals. Define your financial goals and how passive income can support them. Whether it's achieving financial independence, funding future projects, or simply having more flexibility in your lifestyle. Clear goals provide direction and motivation. Break down your goals into actionable steps and timelines to track your progress effectively. By laying this groundwork, you set yourself up for success in the world of passive income. It's about building resilience, learning from failures, and continuously seeking opportunities to diversify and optimize your income streams. Remember, passive income isn't an overnight thing. With determination and strategic planning, you can gradually reduce dependency on active income and enjoy the benefits of passive income streams that grow and flourish over time. 1. Easiest passive income ideas. Here are some of the easiest and most accessible ways to generate passive income. Investing in dividend stocks, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, or index funds is a popular way to earn passive income. Dividend stocks pay regular dividends to shareholders, providing a steady income stream. ETFs and index funds offer diversification and potential growth over time, making them suitable for long-term passive income strategies. While investing carries risks, careful research and diversification can mitigate these risks and enhance returns. Real estate investments, such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can generate passive income through rental payments or dividends from REITs. Rental properties require initial investment and management, but offer potential for ongoing rental income and property appreciation. REITs allow investors to participate in real estate markets without owning physical properties, offering liquidity and diversification benefits. Digital products. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, or digital art can generate passive income with minimal upfront costs. Once created, digital products can be sold repeatedly without additional effort, providing scalable income potential. Successful digital products often address specific niche markets or solve common problems, leveraging online platforms for distribution and marketing. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning commissions for sales generated through your referral link. It requires building an audience or community interested in specific products or topics. Affiliate programs are offered by various companies and platforms, providing opportunities to earn passive income through effective marketing and audience engagement. These passive income ideas cater to different interests and levels of investment, offering flexibility and scalability in income generation. By diversifying across multiple streams and leveraging online platforms, individuals can build sustainable, passive income sources that support financial goals and enhance long-term financial stability. Each method requires initial effort and strategic planning, but offers the potential for significant rewards over time, transforming financial futures and empowering individuals to achieve greater financial independence. 1. Impact of passive income. Passive income isn't just about financial gain. It's about transforming lifestyles and futures. Here's how incorporating passive income streams can make a profound difference in your life. 1. Financial freedom. Passive income provides a pathway to reduce reliance on traditional employment income. By diversifying income streams, individuals can withstand economic fluctuations and unforeseen circumstances more resiliently. This financial stability allows for greater peace of mind and the ability to pursue personal aspirations without the constant pressure of paycheck-to-paycheck living. 2. Time freedom. As passive income streams require less ongoing effort compared to active income sources, they free up time for other pursuits. Whether it's spending more time with family, pursuing hobbies, or exploring new opportunities, passive income empowers individuals to prioritize what truly matters in their lives. 3. Wealth building. Beyond immediate financial needs, passive income accelerates wealth accumulation. Reinvesting earnings from passive income streams into additional investments or assets can compound wealth over time, fostering long-term financial growth and security. 4. Pursuing passions. With financial freedom, you can pursue your true passion and interests that may have been sidelined due to your financial situation. Whether it's starting a new business, traveling, or dedicating time to creative endeavors, passive income provides the flexibility to explore and invest in personal growth and fulfillment. 5. Stability and retirement planning. Passive income plays a crucial role in retirement planning by providing ongoing income streams that supplement pensions, savings, and Social Security benefits. It reduces the need to rely solely on retirement accounts and ensures a more comfortable and secure retirement. In essence, passive income is a catalyst for creating a life of autonomy, fulfillment, and resilience. By diversifying income sources and embracing opportunities for passive earnings, individuals can build a more stable and prosperous future, unlocking the potential for greater happiness and satisfaction in both financial and personal realms. Today, we've explored the transformative power of passive income and how it can pave the way to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. By diversifying income streams through investing, real estate, digital products, and affiliate marketing, you can create a robust foundation for long-term financial security. Passive income not only provides stability and wealth accumulation, but also grants precious time freedom to pursue passions and dreams. Take the first step towards a brighter financial future by implementing the strategies discussed. Whether you're starting small or aiming high, every effort towards passive income builds momentum towards your goals. Join our community at Financial Freedom Basics to continue learning practical tips and strategies for achieving financial independence. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and embark on this empowering journey towards financial freedom with us. Together, let's unlock the doors to a life where your finances work for you.